Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this trending zoom out photo edit in CapCut. So this AI photo zoom out is currently trending on TikTok, and if you want to easily create it, you can just open your CapCut and then just head to the template tab, then type in the AI photo zoom. Okay, AI photo zoom out, click on that keyword. And here you can just select the filter. You can see there are a bunch of filters that you can use. Okay, you can just choose which one. I'm going to use this one. Click on the use template. Okay, click on the use template and then select the photos. Okay, I'm going to select the photos. One, okay, two, and this one, and the last one in here. Click on preview and just wait for CapCut to apply the AI photo zoom out effect. Okay, so here is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.